In a significant update, the Chief Electoral Officer of Meghalaya has announced the final electoral roll for 2025. The updated roll records an increase of 29,013 voters, bringing the total number of registered voters in the state to 21,61,129. The revision process based on 1st January 2025 as the qualifying date followed a meticulous schedule that included house-to-house verification by booth-level officers from the 20th of August to 18th October 2024. The draft electoral roll was published on the 29th of October 2024. Citizens were given the opportunity to file claims and objections between the 29th of October and the 28th of November 2024. Special campaign days were conducted on the 15th, 16th, 21st and 22nd November 2024, while all claims and objections were resolved by the 24th of December last year. Finally, the updated roll was published today, the 6th of January 2025. This detailed process ensures an accurate and inclusive voter list, allowing eligible citizens of Meghalaya to exercise their democratic rights in upcoming elections.
With respect to the qualifying date of 1st January 2025, that process has been completed and the roll has been published today on 6th of January 2025. So this is ongoing process, and presently there are 4 qualifying dates in a year, that is 1st January, 1st April, 1st July and 1st October. So we have conducted a special summary revision of electoral roll for 2025, and it happens in the 2 stages. Those are the pre-revision activities and revision activities. In pre-revision activities, we have house-to-house verification, rationalization and rearrangement of polling station, removal of discrepancies in the electoral roll and EPIC, and improvement quality of photographs wherever necessary. So this entire exercise started from 20th of August 2024 and ended by 18th October 2024. And preparation of integrated draft roll with reference to the 1st January 2025 as qualifying date. So that has been taken up by 28th October 2024, and as part of the revision activities, publication of integrated draft electoral roll took place on the 29th October, and as per the schedule, the period for filing claims and objections were from 29th October till 28th November 2024, and in which there were the special campaign dates on 15th and 16th November and 21st and 26th November. So the disposal of claims and objections took place by till 24th of December 2024, and final publication happened today on 6th January 2025. Electors, as on 29th October 2024, when we had the draft roll published, 22,40,499 total electors, out of which male electors 11,05,244 and female electors 11,35,250 and transgender 5. And after publication of the draft final roll, now we are having 22,69,512 voters altogether, out of which 11,18,907 male voters, 11,50,599 female voters and 6 third gender voters, total 22,69,512. we have 100% epic coverage. EP ratio as on today is 645. Electors gender ratio is 1028. New electors in between age of 18 and 19 years are 72,941. Senior citizens of 85 year plus year age are 10,398, and total PWD electors 11,960. So we have presently 3,551 polling stations after the rationalization, because during the Lok Sabha election we had 3,512 polling stations. So 39 more polling stations. So during this process we received total Form 6 are 48,121, and out of which 46,109 were accepted. Similarly, Form 7 we received 18,577 and 17,096 accepted. And we see the deletion due to death were 8,936, due to shifting 7,775, and due to duplicate entries 385. So far Form 8 is concerned related to the corrections. So we received total 32,500 forms and 31,372 were accepted, and needful actions were ensured. So this is the outcome of our special summary revision activities.